In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use HubSpot filters, a handy feature to manage and streamline your data efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore each step of this process with clarity and ease. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Having your credentials ready and your account secured with two-factor authentication is a good practice to ensure that your data stays protected. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where you'd like to apply your filters. This could be contacts, companies, deals, lists, or any other data set you're working with. Each of these areas can benefit significantly from targeted filtering, which can save you time and bring more focus to your work. As you find your way to the correct section, look for buttons that say Advanced Filters, Quick Filters, or any similar options. These are usually located at the top of the list view or within the object's record you'll be working on. These filter buttons are your gateway to refining the massive datasets you might be dealing with, making it easier to focus on what truly matters for your tasks. Next, define the condition for the filter you want to apply. Perhaps you need to see all contacts managed by a specific owner. In that case, set your filter to contact owner equals name. Or if you want to check the deals at a specific stage, set it to deal stage equals closed won. Defining these conditions allows you to zero in on specific pieces of information, which can be vital for your next steps in any project or analysis. If your needs are a bit more complex and you're looking to refine your data even further, you can use AND or OR logic to create multiple conditions. For instance, you might filter contact owner equals name and deal stage equals closed won using AND to find records meeting both criteria. Conversely, the OR logic can broaden your results, capturing records that meet at least one of the conditions. This step gives you the flexibility to tailor your data view to precisely what you need at any moment. After setting up your filters, the final step is to click Apply or Save to see your filtered results. This action will update your data view according to the criteria you've set. It's a satisfying moment as you watch HubSpot narrow down your vast information into exactly what you need. By following these steps, you can make the most out of HubSpot's filtering capabilities, maintaining your focus on relevant data and saving time in the process. Thanks for joining me in exploring this aspect of HubSpot, and I hope these steps make data management a breeze for you.